So many people are facing issues in claiming the Azure credits for the first time. If you are a participant of the Microsoft Imagine Cup 2026, or whether you are a participant of any other event which requires Azure credits, or if you want to use it for personal use, all things will be covered in this video and we'll cover step by step. So before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel and do like the video and like the video too, and let's cover it over here. So this video is specifically for the Microsoft Imagine Cup participants. How to register it? It's simple. First of all, you need to have a Microsoft account. If you already have account and have used Azure services earlier, then you may not be eligible for the credit. So better create a new Microsoft account. If you need a video how to create a Microsoft account, just comment down. I'll make a video for it. And here I'll share the link for the registration event. Now simply you have to simply register over here, and then once you registered, you have to come over here and just right click and open in a new tab. Now here we are in the Microsoft for Startups web page. All the resources will be available on the channel video description. Simply click on sign up with Azure, and if you have already signed in or just created account, it will automatically prompt you to select it. You have to simply add the username, password, whatever you have created while registering for the Microsoft account. All things will be done with Microsoft account, so just stay tuned. Now here currently we are getting $1,000 credits only, and for more credits you will be notified via email. First thing, you need to verify with LinkedIn. So while registration also they have asked for LinkedIn, and if you already have a LinkedIn, then it's well and good. Simply click on verify with LinkedIn. A new page will open. So here you have to just sign in with your LinkedIn account. So let me just sign in, and simply you have to allow some of the permissions, like here let me just allow. And once you click on allow, it will just ask for some details, and then you'll be able to see that you have been allotted the credits over here, because they'll just verify all your details and then you'll be signed up. So just wait for it to get completed. Apart from this, if you have any query, you can reach out to me via my social handles also. I'll find it. You can see the post section. I can just come to the channel about too. You can see these are my social handles. For any query, you can just reach out to me on Telegram or Instagram. Now here you can see the sign up is available over here. Here you can see we are getting up to $5,000 credits. Now here first they are asking for all the details. Now here we have to just enter your name. So make sure you enter the name and phone number over here. If you don't want to add, you can simply just click on next. So here the phone number and company name is mandatory. So let me fill it, and then I will just move to the next step. For company name, I'm writing the company name, and for the phone number, you have to just mention it. So I'm just filling it, and then I will click on next. So let's wait. Let me fill it. So after you click on next, it will ask for your address detail. Okay. Once you fill these address details, after that you have to again click on next. So let me fill it. Okay, it's confidential details, so I'm just hiding this part. Now simply click on next and just fill all the details. Here you have to simply enter your address, as I said earlier, like name, address, complete details. You can use a temporary address also, but if you are using for building your startup, you should use your official address. Now wait for this step to get moved on, and after that we'll just get our credits. So let's wait for it for some time. So now the next step is asking for payment information. For example, you can see first they will ask for your all the details, and including the card numbers and expiry date and CVV. After you fill all these things, you have to simply click on sign up, and after that you'll be allotted the credits. Okay. So like this you have to do. We do it in every event, or like in the cloud skills boost also, for creating the global cloud credits. We also have to share the details. So once you share all these details and just click on sign up, you'll be allotted the credits. So this part is confidential, so I'm not just showing this part. So you have to simply sign up, you will be getting the credits. Do not worry about it. And if you have any query, you can simply let me know in the comment section, because this is the last step for completing. Okay. After that, you'll be allotted the credits which you can use for doing the work. So thank you. Have a great day ahead.